The most common kind of telescopic rod cannot suit with the detector removing tool because of two problems. First, the top of the rod cannot suit with the tool. And second, the joint will be twisted when we removing the detector. Okay, and now we will solve these two problems. The first, we would put this adapter on the top of the rod to suit with removing tool. Okay, and second, we will have two fixing ring and one fixing gasket. The one ring is fixing on the bottom of the gasket. And the second ring will fixing on the top of the gasket. So now we can fix the joint to prevent the joint twisted too much, and then we can use the removing tool to remove the detector. Okay.